In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Figma design to Shopify theme. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to figma.com and go to your design. So as you can see, I have a random design right here. So in order to convert this to a Shopify theme, what you want to do is click right here on the resources icon. So click on it and go to plugins. Now simply search for Shopify image importer. So you will see a free plugin right here, Shopify image importer. So just click on run. And now you will see this window. What you want to do is just select the import type. So import from product URLs or collection URLs. Now you want to add your Shopify collection URLs right here. Also, you can adjust the import settings. How many products from the collection do you want to import? So just type it in right here, and click on import. After that, your Figma design will automatically be converted to a Shopify theme. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.